Here's how you can actually use generative AI for your business. A lot of AI tools and a lot of other tutorials out there just showing you how to create cool cat pictures, but I'm gonna go through Runway AI and show you how you can actually use this for your business. If you're new here, I'm Plato. Make sure you subscribe, follow, like. It really helps me out so I can continue making these awesome videos for you. So let's jump right into it. So when you get into Runway AI, you'll see dozens of tools, and we're only going to show you the best ones for your business. So we're going to use the remove background tool first. And all we're doing is after uploading a video, any video that you want, you're just going to select parts of the video that you want to keep, and you can remove the background from that. So it'll auto select very nicely for you. So all we're doing is adding an image now that we want to use as our background. Just right click on the image once it's properly placed in the background, and select move to back. And all of a sudden you have a high quality green screen video to keep your audience more engaged. So this one's really, really useful. Let's check out the next one. This one is one of my favorites. It's so useful if you have boring product images. So this is the backdrop remix tool. And what we're doing is that we're taking our boring product images and putting them in a nice atmosphere for your social media posts, because this one just won't cut it, right? Like this is not a good image for social media. So they have all these templates that you can choose from, and you can add your own prompt, like place this in a kitchen or place this in an apartment. And we'll have much better high performing product images for our brand. And now look how engaging this is. Like this looks really, really good. And you can use these on social media, on your email marketing, and you don't need to have all of these photographers in all these places. So this one's really useful. Let's check out the next one. This one is called Erase and Replace, and it's pretty cool. I'm gonna let you figure out the use cases for this, but can you just imagine what this will do for politicians or the upcoming campaign? I mean, all we're doing is selecting an image, a part of the image that we want to remove and replace it with something. So I selected the flowers, and you wanna make sure you really color around that area with purple. It makes it super easy. And I wanna replace that with a cigar. I mean, look how realistic this looks. It looks really, really good. So I'll let you figure out the use cases for this one, but this one's pretty cool. So let me know what you think about this. Will you start to use this for your business? If not, why? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow for more.